Hi, Layla. Tell me.
I'm this kid and milk right here.
Yeah? Is this Layla's cooking show?
Yes.
What are we making today?
We're making corn muffins.
Cornbread muffins. And what's inside your bowl right now?
Egg!
Egg and?
Milk.
That's right. And what are you doing to it?
I'm whisking it.
Whisking it. Okay, time to put in our dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients.
Oh, looks like we need scissors. Keep whisking.
I didn't whisk.
Good job.
Set it down right there.
Okay.
What are you cutting?
I'm trying to open the package.
Open the package.
Got it. Okay.
Now let me put.
All right. Tell me what you're doing, because it's Layla's cooking show.
I'm doing this. Uh-oh.
That's
It can
all
go
right.
down.
All right, don't worry about it.
Cornbread muffin.
Good job. Thank you.
Now what do we do?
What do you think?
I don't know. Let's get this.
All right. That'll work. Yep. Gentle. Yeah, good and lumpy.
It's gonna be yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Whisker, whisker. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Milk. Let me whisk it. No. Can you say Ellen cooking show?
It's Layla's cooking show. Okay, next thing we need to do is put it in the muffin pan.
But I need to store some more.
Okay.